Thabo never registered with any Home Affairs at any stage. So the only place where you could find him, as police said, was in correctional services when he was an inmate. That's where you'll find this fingerprint and photo, but also in the South African Police Services crime data.
Ungqongqoshe umtswaledi uchaze kabanzi ngoThabo uBester. Umdlwenguli ngumbulali uphinde wabhadanya nencwadi emgunyaza ukuvashela kwamanye amazwe yase-America eTanzania kanye nodokotela uNandipha Makudumana.
He doesn't have a passport at all. There's a story that he have got multiple passports. Thabo doesn't have any passport with Home Affairs. The passport he was found carrying in Tanzania appears to be an American passport. I've got a copy of it here, in the name of Tom Williams Kelly. Whether real, defrauded or forged, we can't tell.
Ungqongqoshe uthe udokotela uNandipha Makudumana kubelula ke kuye kakhulu kumthola njengoba ekhona emabhukwini omnyango.
She took her first passport in 2007 at the age of 19. This passport expired in 2017 and she was issued with another one the same year, which is due to expire in 2027. So the passport we gave in 2017 is still valid and is a legal passport.
Ngamaphepha omnyango udokotela Makudumana akazange asebenzise incwadi yakhe emgunyaza ukuvashela amanye amazwe ngesikhathi ebaleka kuleli.
When she was caught in Tanzania, she was found in possession of this passport which expired in 2027, which she last used on the 12th of May 2022 coming from Bulawayo. She was found with that passport. But she was found with two other passports, and that's where the story of multiple passports come in. But those two passports don't belong to her. They belong to a Dr. Mereka patient's Martha Ntsani.
Ungqongqoshe uthe selisezandleni zamaphoyisa udaba lokuthi uBester noMakudumana bakhona kanjani ukweqa kuleli.